The Unit 1 IAL Chemistry exam is approaching soon. I understand how frustrating it can be when you feel that you're behind. Fortunately, with AS Chemistry, there's an easy way to boost your grade in just a short time. You'll begin by securing the high-yield topics. I'm referring mainly to organic mechanisms, the ideal gas law, periodic trends, and molecular shapes. Next, gather classified papers and solve 5 or more on each one of these topics. Try to select questions from older exams, as you will want to save the most recent papers for the next step. In total, you have about 20 papers to solve from 2019 to 2025. Divide these papers into 3 parts. The first 10 papers should be solved with an open book. Do not be worried if you're getting many multiple choice questions wrong. At this stage, your focus should be on Section B. The written questions will strengthen your understanding and improve your multiple choice score. The next 5 papers should be solved entirely without notes. Be flexible with your timing while aiming to build accuracy and confidence. In the final stage, you'll solve the 5 recent exam papers as mock tests. Simulate exam conditions and focus on developing best strategy to complete those papers on time while maximizing your score. Some students prefer to attempt Section A before Section B, while others start with the written questions first. Experiment with both approaches and find the one that works best for you. I wish you best of luck in your preparation.